Hello everyone. Today we are going to see another amazing products, the Kinco iSMK and integrated servo unit. Let's see what makes this so special. This is an all-in-one compact machines that combined the driver, motor and encoder into a single unit. And Kinco developed these all core components in-house, so there are absolutely no components compatibility issues. Look how small it is. In our iSMK, with the power 100 watt has 40 mm flange, and for this iSMK, it's with the 400 watt, which has 60 mm flange size. So we have different range of the flange with the powers. So as you can see here, this is the 750 watt iSMK, which has the flange size is 80 mm. It reduces the installation space by up to 50%. And it features a wide voltage range from 24 voltage to 60 voltage DC, and delivers a massive 3 times overload capacity for high torque performance. And plus, it's fully C certified and RoHS compliant. The power ranges is from 100 watt to 750 watt. And if we're talking about the safety protections, it's built to last the high protection safety against over voltage and short circuits and overheating. And it also supports the major communications control protocols like CAN opens, Modbus, and EtherCATs, making it perfect for logistic robots and warehouse automations. So if you are planning to upgrade your robotic design with a space saving and powerful servo unit, then let's check these iSMK units for your applications. Thank you.